This is the 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 230 MLCS. This is one of the best couples travel trailers available on the market. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, we're gonna go inside, but first get a look at how good this travel trailer looks. That fiberglass front cap with the automotive finishing, the light up Eagle logo. It looks amazing. Automotive front windshield. Now, we'll talk about the rest of the outside later, but for now, let's head inside. First thing you're gonna see when you walk in the door is this view. We got one slide over there, recliners, corner kitchen at the back, entertainment center. We've got your dinette that turns into a bed, and it's postless as well. So there's no post for you to bang your knees on or kick or to take up floor space. So that's a great spot for, you know, a dog or a cat or whatever else. I don't know a lot of campers that have cats, but some do. We've also got a shoe garage here right when you walk in the door. Then we've got this vinyl flooring, super nice, looks clean, even when it's not. We all like that. Then we turn around here and we've got this front Olympic queen bed. So an Olympic queen, what does that mean? Well, it's 6 inches wider than a standard queen. It's also 8 inches thick, and they put an aloe vera cover on it, so it's really soft, and apparently it's supposed to have a cooling effect. I haven't slept on one of these mattresses, so I don't know, but what I do know is that I hate sleeping hot, so that's cool. We've also got no floor registers in here, so your furnace pumps heat out through vents, but not floor vents anymore. Now underneath your bed, we've got a ton of storage and a plywood base here, super thick plywood base. Plus these struts that are really strong. You actually gotta lean into it a lot to push down. Up at the front, we've got this automotive windshield, and there is a shade for it. It's kind of silly. I don't really get why they did this. Got this little lip here, this hook. I guess you're supposed to wrap that around. That is a really weird solution. Maybe I'm being silly and I just don't understand. But usually with these front windshields, the shade is kind of locked into a bracket so it can only go inside the cap for the windshield instead of just being able to hang down, kind of free fall. But it is a roller shade with a reflective backer, so it really keeps the sun out. And so are the rest of the shades in this unit. We've also got inverted outlets here. So they're on a separate 30 amp loop, and these big cubbies for your phone, CPAP, whatever else, it all goes right in there. Plenty of room. Also individual reading lights, one on each side with their own switches, and a deep upper storage area here. Lots of room in there. Plus these super, super nice hardwood cabinets in the new white color. I love this color. Now beside the bed, we've got drawers on both sides, and they're kind of angled, which is cool, but they pull straight out. I think that's quite creative. 75-pound drawer slides and magnetic latches. We've got these mirrored wardrobe doors with tons of hanging space, and same thing over here. So one for each person. I've got tinted windows, nice valances. They're not as big as they used to be. Almost all of your windows in here open, except for the front windshield. Now still looking at the front, above your bed, you've got this fascia, which just finishes it off really nice. It matches the cabinetry, it's got some texture to it. So it's not like just a piece of plastic or a piece of wood up there. It's actually got some color and some texture. That's cool. Louvered vents for your AC. And this has a whisper quiet air conditioner. So you've got your 2 intakes there, and they use the Helix ducting system. So it's an insulated ducting system with rounded edges. So it makes it a lot quieter and a lot more efficient. Up in the roof, we've also got the MB Court sound system. Before Jayco brought this out, I had never heard of this before, but they sound really good. And that is all controlled through this little spot right here. So you got zones A and B, Bluetooth, connection to the TV, and your power button. Also got interior light switches, slide control, awning control, water pump, exterior lights, and then your monitor panel all right there. Having another quick look at the dinette, we've got lights for each side up there, a big window so you can see your campsite. Like I said, I mean, there's tons of windows in here. They all open, so you got a really great view and you can get a lot of airflow. Then we've got this butcher block style table that does turn into a bed. So you lift it and there's these little metal hooks there that hook into this back plate. That's what stops it from falling. It takes two hands, but you push it down and there's a hydraulic there. With the bumpers here, you got to take the cushions out, otherwise they get in the way, but you get the gist. And this is really nice fabric. It's not leatherette anymore, no more vinyl flaking, and it's supposed to be really stain resistant. I can feel it. Like I don't see water, like water would probably bead off of this. Now over here we've got your recliners, a little bit of storage in the middle, removable side tables that match your dinette. Just give them a pull and they recline like so. Boom. Nice little place to have a nap. Now, we have a fully tongue and groove plywood floor. Got a tongue and groove plywood roof. It's aluminum framed with a vacuum bonded laminated fiberglass sidewall, which we'll talk a little bit more about when we get outside. But construction wise, the Eagle HT, even though it's not a full Eagle anymore, still has all the hallmarks of a Jayco product. Screwed and glued cabinetry with in-house hardwood cabinet doors and drawer fronts. In the middle, we've got a smart TV, and that TV does pull out on an arm, so you can point it towards the bed if you want. And there's some extra power and plugs over there, as well as some room for like a DVD player or something like that behind it. Beside the dinette, we have a massive pantry slash linen closet, whatever you're going to use it for. It's there, it's massive, tons of room. And across from it, we've got your slide, this really nice fascia that matches the look above the bed. A lot better than just, you know, a piece of flat particle board. We've got your 10 cubic foot, 12 volt General Electric fridge. Tons of room in there, lots of room for drinks. Close that up, and we've got a latch to keep those doors shut when you're in transit. We've got your General Electric profile stove with the oven and the drawer for your pots and pans, or whatever you want to put in there. If you buy it, you own it, you can do what you want. It matches the stove though, and I think that's really cool. Big bit of storage in there. I'd like to see a shelf in there, to be honest, but let me know if you wouldn't. Maybe you don't want a shelf and you're glad they didn't put one in. 3-burner stove with the removable grate. We got a knife block behind it and another window that does open up. We've also got a GFCI outlet here, and then your standard microwave, not a convection, just a standard microwave. Beside the microwave, we got a little bit of storage on both ends. Got a massive row of drawers. I really love the drawer faces now. There's so much texture. There you go, a couple more drawers over here. Those. Then we've got some storage underneath your sink, which is the new multi-function sink. So we've got a sprayer faucet. It's stainless steel. It's really, really nice looking. And then I'll put a picture up here. There are some attachments that go in the sink. You've got like a cutting board that can sit on the top lip. You've got a little spot to rinse things, all sorts of stuff. Then we have a soap dispenser. We've got a cup washer. And this little spray piece here is what shoots into like the colander attachment. So really nice sink. The TikTok sink, as some people are calling it. But I like it. It's a big upgrade from the standard sink that every RV has had forever. Huge cabinetry up top. And these nice big windows for a ton of light. You can see we've got some power up there. And that is it for the kitchen. Over into the bathroom. You got me. Sorry folks, Evan not included with purchase, but you do get to hang out with me for a bit. Anyway, medicine cabinet back there, butcher block countertop to match, a little bit of power, and I like that this countertop has some space. There's nothing I hate more than, you know, having to put your toothbrush here and your toothpaste there and your whatever else here and here, and then you're knocking stuff over all the time. Actually having a little bit of space to put things is really nice. We've got an open cabinet underneath, a little more storage under the sink, a porcelain foot flush toilet, a couple hooks for towels or robes, whatever. Those are like strangely close together. Hang on, look at that. Why are they so close together? New wallboard here, and it really opens up the space here in the bathroom. Linen closet, tons of storage in there. Got a small fan, but it's a turbo fan, so it does pull a ton of air out. Now looking over this way, got your on-demand water heater controls. We got your shower, which is a little bit of a step up. Furnace vent down there. Reinforced shower floor, so it's on a plywood base. And this little sticker here that says shower seat backer location. So if you've seen in the North Points, the Pinnacles, they come with a teak seat that like flips out of the way, so you could put the seat in yourself if you wanted to. Anyway, nice shower head. You can change the functions. You can have the inside or the outside or both. And it's a sliding glass door. Okay. There you go, nice sliding glass door with the handle, and it doubles as like your hand towel thing here. So you can have a hand towel over here, sure, if you want, or you can put another one there. So that's cool. That is it for the inside. So let's head outside and have a quick chat about what's going on out there. All right, here we are on the outside. So we've got an integrated A-frame up front. Really nice front end, so like a textured solid metal plate. Got that front cap with the marker lights, the light bars. This is a really sharp looking travel trailer. Electric front jack, of course. Dual 60-pound propane tanks. That's not true. I meant dual 30s for a total of 60. Spot for your battery there. And then we've got a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, electric jacks. There's your spare tire down there, as well as your sewer hose storage, which I'll show you. There's your sewer hose storage. So like I was saying, fully enclosed underbelly, and it is heated. We've got a reflective foil barrier underneath. Nice little sort of wet storage here. You can have it go in here. Got a spray nozzle with a quick connect. I'll show you what that's for later. Well, one of the spots that it's for is this. This is just a cold spray port for rinsing stuff off. Listen to that. I hope you can hear that. Nautilus water system. So really easy diagrams to follow depending on what you're doing. Your black tank flush, your winterize, city water, it's all right there. And then we've got a little hole here to run cables or hoses through. Here we've got switches for the front cap lights. We've got your Nuvo H2O 3-piece water filtration system for the whole water system. This one has 200 watts of solar on the roof and a 30 amp solar controller. You've also got that little metal box right there, which is inverter pre-wiring for if you want to install an inverter. On the other side, we've got HDMI. Oh, I guess you can link up your interior and exterior TVs. Because of the MB Court system, it's probably all connected because you have a controller inside and outside that can run both zones. Or you can have, you know, one running the inside zone, one outside, whatever. TV stuff here with the HDMI, USB and USB-C. That's cool to see out here. That is very cool to see in an exterior compartment. Now moving along the side, we've got this massive awning. Oh yeah, slam latch door, vacuum bonded laminated fiberglass sidewalls, exterior speakers, we've got the light for your steps, and climate shield. So that's additional insulation Enclosed and heated underbelly, things like that, which I'll put on the screen right now for you to see. Goodyear Endurance tires. There's a look at your suspension setup. We've got galvanized steel wheel wells. So if you have a blowout, you're not going to rip your wall off. You've got your other exterior speaker back here, your electric jack, control for the rear jacks. There's your outdoor shower, which is what that spray head is for. Then we've got your J-port system. So there's a receiver back there, so you can get it with a table for the griddle, or if you want to make your own accessory for the J-port, you probably could. Then at the very back, we've got these new rear lights that look super sharp, very bright. Not right now, obviously, they're off. Furrion on-demand water heater, electrical connection right there. You've got a receiver. This one is not for towing, it's just for accessories. So good for bikes or something like that. And right here we have a propane quick connect as well. We've got a cable slide system on this one, range hood that vents outside. We're also prepped for a backup camera. Now let me show you what's going on the roof. Got your solar panel there, your air conditioner, and like I said before, a fully walkable roof with a really thick TPO membrane. All right, y'all, that is it. That's the 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 230 MLCS. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.